Although the Find and Replace feature in Microsoft Excel works similarly to its counterparts in Word, PowerPoint, and so on, it does have its own quirks here. Having opened a document, we can go to the Home tab, and over in the Editing group here, we can click the drop-down to get to the Find and Replace dialog box. The conventional look for it and replace with something else is pretty easy. If we didn't have the options turned on, we could just click the button, of course. But if we look below that, if we look below the basic settings, we can also do a few other things. We can tell it to match case, which is to be aware of case sensitivity. We can also tell it to match entire cell contents, so as not to accidentally replace just a part of something when we don't mean to. It's even possible to look on just the sheet we see or through the whole workbook if we have multiple sheets, which we often do. What's even more interesting is we can look not just for text, but for specific formatting of text, and not just font choice or font size. We can also look for things like bold or italic or color, almost any font formatting we can set up. For example, we can click the drop down here for the format for the Find What, and bring up the dialog box and specify that we want to look for any text that is bold. And then click OK out of here, of course. Click the drop down for the Replace, and again, tell it we want to do some looking for formatting, and specify we want to change anything that happens to be bold to italic. And click OK there. If I then click Find Next, we can see that the program starts to look for things that are bold, and if I now chose, I could click Replace, and anything bold becomes italic, but no other changes take place at all, only the one thing I asked for. There is one limitation though, and it comes up in other programs in the Microsoft Office as well. If we accidentally or deliberately select more than one cell in the sheet, and if they just happen not to have anything we're looking for here, the Find and Replace will only do its thing within the selected batch of cells. If I now go back to the dialog box, and again tell it to Find Next on anything that is bold, we get the message, couldn't find what you're looking for. So here we have a slight problem, rather like the spell check in some ways. The feature takes a selection as a don't look anywhere else indicator. Some people find this one out by accident, so it makes sense to know, as the old joke has it, that this isn't a bug, it's an undocumented feature. But it can be a useful one if you know how it works.